Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple rose shaped pastry. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 teaspoons of cinnamon, flour for dusting, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 red apples. We're going to need the juice from a lemon and also a pack of puff pastry. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is cut your lemon in half. We're only going to be using a half of the lemon. So all you want to do is juice that half. Okay guys, next you want to get a bowl. We're going to pour the lemon juice in there and 1.5 cups of water. And all we're going to do is mix that, and we're going to set it to the side. Okay guys, next we're going to core our apples. Once you're done coring your apples, all we're going to do is cut them paper thin. Okay guys, as you can see, my apples are cut very thin. So next we're going to bring back our bowl of the lemon water. Okay guys, now all you want to do is put your apples into the lemon water. And all we're going to do is move them around in there. Okay guys, next we're going to put our bowl of apples into the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes until they soften up and are pliable. Okay guys, once your apples are out of the microwave, we're just going to set them to the side. Next, I'm going to go ahead and unroll my puff pastry. But first, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my surface with some flour. And next, I'm going to open the puff pastry. Okay guys, once you have your puff pastry onto your surface, all you want to do is sprinkle it with a little bit of flour. And next, all I'm going to do is go ahead and roll it out some. Okay guys, as you can see, I had put my lines in. We're just going to roll out and cut 6 strips. Okay guys, once you have all your strips cut, all we're going to do is get our honey. We're just going to spoon some honey along here. Sorry. And all you want to do is take your brush, just brush it on there. Now we're just going to layer our apples just like this all the way across. Once you have your apples all the way across, just going to get some cinnamon and sprinkle it down through the whole pastry. After you put your cinnamon on, all you're going to do is fold up your puff pastry in half And all we're going to do is begin to roll all the way across. Once you're done, it should look like this, a rose. So we're going to repeat the process on the remaining puff pastry. Okay guys, once you have everything prepared and you're done rolling them, all you want to do is go ahead and grease a muffin tin, and all we're going to do is sit them in there. You want to heat up your oven to 375 degrees, and we are going to bake them for 40 minutes. Okay guys, once the 40 minutes is up, we're just going to let them cool off some before we remove them from the pan. Okay guys, here you have it, your apple rose puff pastries. And one last thing guys, if you want to, you could take some confectioner sugar and just sprinkle it over top. That makes them look really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.